Hi everyone, my name is Samundra Paudal and today I will be presenting the rationale behind two learning experiences that are designed as part of my programming task. These two experiences are drawn from different curriculum domains, drama and STEAM. The first experience is called Act It Out, Story Role Play. Three little pigs. The second is Sink or Float, exploring properties of materials through water play. My aim in planning and implementing these experiences is to ensure that learning is developmentally appropriate, inclusive, holistic, and culturally responsive in line with the early years learning framework version 2.0. So in this presentation, I will explain why I choose these learning experiences, the teaching strategies I used, how they align with the UIL principles and outcomes, and finally compare how each contributes to children's learning and development. So the first learning experience, act it out story role play. So in these experiences, I focuses on drama and storytelling. Children between the ages of 5 and 6 were invited to role play the story of the three little pigs. I choose this activity because young children are naturally drawn to stories and pretend play. Drama provides a safe and creative space for them to experiment with emotions, practice communications, and collaborate with peers. This activity aligns strongly with EOL outcome 1. Children have a strong sense of identity because of acting in different roles helps children to explore their feelings and understand others. It also supports outcomes 5. Children are effective communicators as children use expressive language, gestures, and listening skills throughout their experiences. The teaching strategies I applied including modeling expressive voices, using open-ended questions to extend children's thinking and supporting peer negotiations when choosing roles. From a theoretical perspective, this activity draws on Vygotsky social learning theory, which emphasizes learning through social interactions and Gardner's multiple intelligence, particularly bodily, kinesthetic, and linguistic intelligence. Importantly, I consider inclusion, for example, emotion cards and story sequence visuals help children who may have limited verbal skills or who are English as additional language learners. More confident children could take on leadership roles like narrator, while quieter children could participate in smaller supportive roles. This ensured every child was meaningfully engaged. Next, learning experience is sink or fruits steam water play. The second experience comes from the STEAM domain and was designed for a group of 4 to 5 years old. It involved hands-on water play to explore which objects sinks or float. This activity supports EYLF outcome 4. Children are confident and involved learners as children engage in prediction, testing, and reflection. It also relates to outcome 5. Children are effective communicators as they learn and practice using scientific language like predict, float, or sink. The strategies I use included scaffolding their thinking through questions such as what do you think will happen and encouraging children to record their predictions using a visual chart. I also model the use of scientific vocabulary and encourage peer collaboration and turn taking. The rationale behind this choice is that children are naturally curious about water and objects they encounter water daily in their homes and communities, so this activity connects learning to a familiar, meaningful context. The theoretical underpinning for this activity is Piaget's construct- constructivist theories, which highlights children's active exploration, and Vygotsky's social interaction theories, which supports the role of collaborative learning and adult guidance. In terms of inclusion, visual aids such as prediction charts support AI learners, while children who had a stronger verbal skills were encouraged to explore their reasoning. The activity also allowed flexible placing so all children could engage meaningfully. Comparison and justification. While the two activities are quite different, one focusing on drama and imagination and the other on STEAM and inquiry, both are equally important in early childhood education. The drama activities develop social emotional learnings, empathy, and confidence, while the STEAM experience develops scientific reasoning, problem solving, and language. Together, they address multiple areas of children's development: physical, cognitive, social, and emotional. Both experiences also reflect inclusive and culturally responsive practice. For example, the drama activity allows children to bring their own cultural stories and interpretations, while the STEAM activity uses universal concepts of water and play that all children can relate to. What unites these two activities is the educator's role as a facilitator of learning. In both cases, I acted intentionally guiding children's thinking, providing scaffolds where needed, and creating safe, engaging learning environments. Overall, these experiences highlight how intentional teaching, play-based inquiry, and inclusive strategies can extend children's learning and help them develop as confident, capable learners. Thank you. So in this way, I have presented my recording presentation. Thank you.